Now back to our other top story about the city's vaccine mandate for teachers and the judge's decision to uphold that for the time being. Sharon Crowley live outside Manhattan International High School on the Upper East Side with more on what this means and where we go from here. Sharon.
That's right, Steve. Well, a majority of New York City public school teachers have gotten at least one shot. But for those who have not done that yet, or for other school employees who've not yet been vaccinated, they must do so by Monday. If not, they risk losing their jobs.
Stronger mandates coming into place, obviously, starting on Monday, the important mandate for everyone who works in our schools.
The mayor speaking just hours before a Manhattan judge lifted a temporary restraining order blocking the city's vaccine mandate for teachers and other school employees. It means starting Monday, school employees have to have had at least one shot of the COVID-19 vaccine or risk losing their jobs. Several unions sued the city on the grounds such a vaccine mandate violated their constitutional rights. As a result, the city mandate now includes medical and religious exemptions.
Teachers are going to get fired. So I'm telling you that right now. And most of them are going to be rightfully fired, because if they don't get the vaccine and they don't have a disability and have asked for accommodation or a sincerely held religious belief and asked for accommodation, they're actively choosing to violate the rules of their job.
Andrew Lieb is an employment attorney. He says what happened is not final yet, but it bodes well for the city and may have serious consequences for DOE employees.
You need to have a health condition or sincerely held religious belief, and your philosophy, your politics, that's not included.
The Department of Education calling this a big win for New York City children and Department of Education employees. However, New York City's largest municipal workers union, which represents school cafeteria workers and janitors, reacting this way, saying, quote, "We are deeply disappointed that the temporary injunction has been lifted. This is not the end of the road, and we will continue to fight for the right of workers to make their own health care decisions." The teachers union saying, quote, "The court, while lifting the restraining order, has not made a final decision, and we are preparing additional material to support our case." And the unions, for their part, are not giving up, as you heard them say. At the moment, they plan to continue to try to present evidence to the judge and make their case, Steve, in court.
All right, thanks, Sharon. Starting